You're going to want to begin by turning off the main power source. You can also use a voltage tester just to confirm the power is actually off. You're going to line up the mounting plate with the screws and securely screw the mounting plate back into place, like so. There is a pigtail that comes with each smoke detector. Pigtail is the 3 wired cords, which you can see here. You've got the power cord, which is black, the neutral cord, which is white, and the signal cord, which is red. You're going to wire color to color. Remove the old wire nuts to detach the old pigtail. So red to red, white to white, black to black, the cords on the pigtail and those in the electrical box, as done so here. I did strip the ends on the new pigtail and I reused the old wire nuts from before. Push the wires back into the electrical box. Twist the detector onto the mounting plate. Lastly, turn the power on to make sure everything works. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.